Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this glowing star jeans outfit in Dress to Impress. So if you're ready to light up the runway in DTI, in this video I'll show you how you can create a glowing star jeans outfit that will make you stand out and sparkle in every round. So what you need to do in here, first you just need to use or put on this jeans right here, this one. Okay, put it on, and then you can click on this toggle and change the flower into the stars in here, this one, star. Okay, once you're done that, you can just put on this stockings in here, this one, and then change the color to whichever glow color that you want. So let's say I'm going to go with this pink color, and then you can go to patterns in here, click on this plus icon and change it into neon. So now your jeans is glowing just like this, glowing star, and if you want to, you can always change the color of the glow to the color that you want. So I'm going to just go with the white, I think, and this is it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.